Hi, this is Lisa Marie. Welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life. I make all kinds of videos having to do with how to live your best life, things that make me happy, and maybe some of them will help you too. Hi, today we're going to do a fun quiz. It's from Buzzfeed and it's going to see if it can tell us our age and gender. I'll provide the link so that after you watch me take the quiz, you can go ahead and take it and then head down to the comments and let me know what you got. Let's go. Pick a childhood toy. Okay, the choices are Beyblades, Dance Mat, Hot Wheels, Bratz dolls, One Direction dolls, Lego sets, Cabbage Patch Kids, and Polly Pocket and Super Soaker. Well, they didn't have my favorite, which was paper dolls, but I have 5 brothers, so I played a lot of Hot Wheels. That's my choice. Next question, what do you drink on a night out? Red wine, Jager bombs, ale, double vodka and Coke, WKD, cocktails, gin and tonic, lager, and white wine. Well, I don't even know what WKD is. Well, other than an occasional margarita when I go out for Mexican food, I would drink red wine. How happy are you to talk about your feelings? If I have to, but I don't really like it. I gossip with my friends about our crushes all the time. Perfectly happy, although I used to do it more often. I don't do it much, but I know I can talk to my mates. I do it all the time. It's important. I'm very happy to do it and do it lots, but try not to overdo it. I'm happy to tell my best friends, but normally after a drink or two, I'll maybe speak to my partner or my very closest friend, or my best friends and I make sure we always make time for each other to do this. Well, I have some great friends, so my answer is my best friends and I make sure we always make time for each other to do this. I think that's important in a friendship. Pick a Sunday afternoon film. Well, let's see. They've got Top Gun, Die Hard, High School Musical, Titanic, Ted, Shaun of the Dead, Clueless, Pitch Perfect, and Mean Girls. Yikes. I mean, I've seen many of those, but not all of them. Well, I love comedies, and Pitch Perfect was hilarious, so I'll pick that one. Pick the phone you loved most as a kid. Boy, this one is definitely going to date me. The Nokia 5210, the Sony Ericsson W350i, the Nokia 3210, the Hot Lips landline, the iPhone 3, the Nokia 3310, the Motorola Razr, the Garfield landline, or the BlackBerry Curve. Well, not only was the Hot Lips landline my favorite, but I actually had one for a while. I thought I was the coolest person ever. I know, stop laughing. I get it. Pick a cartoon character. Woody, Ariel, Bubbles, Elsa, SpongeBob, Michelangelo, Bambi, Dexter, and Scooby-Doo. Well, I would have picked Bambi, but then it's sad, so I'm going to pick Scooby-Doo because I watched him as a kid. Which breakfast is tempting you? Well, quite honestly, a lot of them because I'm hungry. But for the purposes of this quiz, smoked salmon with scrambled egg, full English breakfast, Nutella pancakes, eggs Benedict, huevos rancheros, triple chocolate muffin, oh my gosh, avocado on toast, a bacon sandwich, and kedgeree. Don't even know what that is, but it looks like some kind of an egg dish. Now, coming in a close second would be avocado on toast, but honestly, eggs Benedict, I love it. Hands down, it's eggs Benedict. How much time do you spend getting ready in the morning? Well, it's a lot less than it used to be when I had to work every morning. So the choices are 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, or more than an hour. Well, when it's all said and done, I'm going to say 40 minutes because that includes all the little things I do in the morning. Which TV show should you be in? Choices are Seinfeld, Friends, How I Met Your Mother, 30 Rock, Two Broke Girls, iCarly, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, The Big Bang Theory, and The Office. Now, I do love several of these shows, but the one I could most see myself in would be Seinfeld. That show is just hilarious and it's perfect for my humor. And the last question, which quote best sums up your life? I need 5 courses for dinner and each course will be steak. This house is a effing prison on planet BS in the galaxy of this sucks camel, you know what? I don't care what they say about me, I just want to eat. Why don't you be a grown-up and come and watch TV in the fort? I'm sorry that people are jealous of me. I can't help that I'm so popular. I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? I can do it. I can have it all. Never mind Pizza Express. What about Beer Express first? Next stop, drunkenness. And the last choice, some people are worth melting for. So quite honestly, I probably wouldn't say any of these, but the one that's closest to what I would pick is I can do it, I can have it all. And that's because I've always believed if you focus and work hard that you can have all of your goals and dreams come true. And now it's time to find out the results. This should be interesting. What? Oh my gosh. Do you think it was the Hot Wheels? Oh my gosh. Who would have thought? Man in his 30s. We reckon you're male and have probably turned 30 pretty recently. You're in a decent job, even if it's not quite your dream job yet. And you also may have a fairly long-term partner who you could even see yourself settling down with for good. You still don't feel that grown up though and aren't quite ready to give up your youth just yet. Well, there you have it. Now don't forget, the link is in the description, so go to the Buzzfeed site, take the quiz, and then come back and put in the comments what you got. And of course, you're more than welcome to watch the video a second time, if you want. Well, that was fun, and I appreciate you playing along with me. Cringy, when you do something humiliating, strange, or silly. Well, now you know, and you can be part of the conversation. See you next time. Bye.